Or false, real estate is all about selling houses?
No, not at all. To me, successful real estate is all about building relationships. So the agents that are very transactional, they have much lower ceilings than the agents who are relational. Some of the best agents, here in San Diego, two of the agents I look up to a lot and have massive respect for, Melissa Tucci, Greg Phillipson. Like, they are amazing people that are so focused on providing an amazing experience for their clients and building relationships with their clients and with vendors and referral partners all over the place, that like they could literally never make a call again and they could sell 100 houses a year just from the relationships that they've built. So I think that if somebody wants to be very successful in this business, you should focus 90% of your time on the relationships, 10% on the transactions. The transactional agents, they will never break through to that next level until they really understand the relationships.